That's up in the wheel arch. Again, this is sponge. It is not metal, so it's been coated when it was originally coated, but this is not rust, it's just that spongy material. Again, not metal, it's the sponge. Same there. Up in the wheel arch. So everything was heavily protected some time ago. This cover will be going back on. This is where we had our little drip from. So we've resealed it today with some special stuff with the gasket, and she'll be plugged back up when she's cured.